Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Mohammad Nahid Salman, Assistant Professor of Department of Physiology of Adin Akis Medical College, Khulna. In our previous class, we have learned about the definition of GFR and know the equation and amount of GFR and learned various factors which affect the glomerular filtration rate. As we know, the glomerular filtration rate is 125 milliliter per minute. Now we will learn about how can we measure the glomerular filtration rate is 125 milliliter per minute. We can measure the glomerular filtration rate by inulin clearance test. Before starting the measuring technique, we have to know what is clearance test. First of all, we have to know the definition of plasma clearance value of a substance. So, it is the virtual volume of plasma which is completely cleared of any substance by both kidney per minute. In this definition, we have to emphasize on several points. That is, first of all, it is the virtual volume of plasma. Why it is called virtual volume of plasma? Virtual means not original. So, this volume of plasma cannot be measured. We can get it by calculation. So, that's why we call it the virtual volume of plasma. Now, the next point is the subject of this definition or this sentence is the virtual volume of plasma. So, the hero point, the key point, the main point of this definition is the subject, and that is the virtual volume of plasma, and which is completely cleared of any substance by both kidney per minute. And now we have to know the plasma clearance value of urea is 70 milliliter per minute. The plasma clearance value of creatinine is 140 milliliter per minute, and the plasma clearance value of glucose is 0 milliliter per minute. Now, come to the next point. The plasma clearance value of inulin is 125 milliliter per minute. What are the information we can get by this statement? That means plasma clearance value of inulin is 125 milliliter means in each minute 125 milliliter of plasma is completely cleared of inulin by both kidney. And then the plasma clearance value of urea is 70 milliliter per minute means in each minute 70 milliliter of plasma is completely cleared of urea. That means beside the filtration of urea there is partial reabsorption of urea. And what does it mean by plasma clearance value of creatinine is 140 milliliter per minute? That means in each minute 140 milliliter of plasma is completely cleared of creatinine. It means urea is partially tubular secreted beside of glomerular filtration. The plasma clearance value of glucose is 0 milliliter per minute means glucose is completely reabsorbed from the proximal convoluted tubule. Now we come to our main topic, the measurement of GFR by using plasma clearance value of inulin. At first we have to administer inulin intravenously in our body. Then after some period of time we have to measure the concentration of inulin in urine, and the urinary flow rate will have to measured, and at the midpoint of this measurement we have to measure the plasma concentration of inulin. So the clearance value of inulin equals to the urinary concentration of inulin into urinary flow rate divided by the plasma concentration of inulin. So by this equation we can get the value 125 milliliter per minute, and that is equal to the glomerular filtration rate. So we can measure the glomerular filtration rate by measuring the plasma clearance value of inulin, and that is 125 milliliter per minute. Now we will learn about why inulin is chosen for the measurement of GFR. There are several important reasons. For those reasons, inulin is chosen for measurement of GFR. And these reasons are, first of all, inulin is freely filtered. That means the filtration rate is equal to the glomerular filtration rate. The second point is inulin is not secreted from the tubules. The third point is inulin is not partially reabsorbed from the renal tubules. Fourth point is inulin is non-toxic to the body. The fifth point is it is not metabolized in our body, and then it is not stored in our body. It does not bound with the plasma protein. So for all these beneficial reasons, inulin is chosen for measurement of GFR. But in our laboratory, we do not use inulin clearance test for the measurement of GFR. So what do we use for measurement of GFR? We use creatinine clearance value for measurement of GFR, and that is 140 milliliter per minute. There are two reasons for using creatinine clearance test, and the first reason is we don't have to inject creatinine intravenously, and the second reason is creatinine is automatically produced in our body by muscle metabolism. The measurement of GFR by creatinine clearance test is better than the measurement of GFR by inulin clearance test. And that's all for today. Thank you all for having patience. In our next class, we will discuss about another topic.